This is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to apparently launch the calendar app. Then select the date you would like to create your event on. Then hit this plus icon over there, choose an event option from the list that will appear, and then simply fill out all the event details such as its title or name, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness. You can also invite some other people to the same event, add the link to the video conference, set location, set up your reminding or notification preferences, pick the color that this event will have at the calendar, write a brief description or attach some file if necessary. Then hit the save button to your top right, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.